Hey guys, welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe. So I did a video like this before where we just took a random room from the internet just to see if we could recreate it using items from Amazon. Why Amazon? One, because it's usually a little cheaper sometimes than other places, and two, it's something that we all have instead of using like a local store. So as you see, this is the room that we are going to be kind of recreating. I said kind of because I didn't go exact, but this was the room that gave the inspiration for the room that we are going to create. So as always, I'm going to start with the blank room. Now the room is a little different. It has these wood slats on here. I couldn't find just a solid room this time. So we're going to go ahead and start with this one, and we are going to start with the wallpaper. So as you can see on the picture, the wallpaper is just like a gray and white, really kind of subtle, but still a lot going on wallpaper. So I opted to go with a peel and stick wallpaper, and the one I chose is actually green and white, but it's a very soft green, so it could be a little grayish, and it's just like a almost botanical type stamp on there, stencil on there, but I thought it would work well for the room. So going back to the picture, obviously we need a funky green sofa. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a spoiler alert. I could not find this sofa. Maybe if I had a little more time to look for it on Amazon, I could, but I just decided to go with the elements of the sofa, something curved, modern, something just kind of funky, a good accent piece, and this is what I came up with. Okay, so this is the sofa that I came up with. This is how it looks in the room that we are creating. I absolutely love this sofa. I have a thing for the modern abstract type sofas. I actually had one in my formal living room, but the one I had was not comfortable at all. I'm so glad it was not our only sofa, but this one is very nice and I love the curved aspects to it. Okay, so after taking a look at the picture again, I started looking at those tables. First off, why do you need 3 coffee tables? So I found a set that has multiples. It has 2, but I thought the third one was a little extra. We'll just stick with these 2. You see $278. For the 2 of them, you get one large cream one and a smaller black one. So I placed it in our room. Now the pictures on the table actually had items on it, so I just kind of muted it out a little bit. And then I went back to the table because I wanted to see, this actually had a lot of table decor, so I'm not going with all of them. But the first one I saw was the little round black vase, and this is the one I found, pretty economical. You can get it in a variety of sizes. So then I saw that they actually had 2 pink vases. So I saw this one. I feel like this is the space that you can just play around and really make it your own. I saw this one with the lips and I thought, how unusual. It's absolutely gorgeous, so I picked this one. And then of course we have another vase, so I chose something a little on the taller, slender side. So I have this vase right here, as you can see, is not expensive, and I'm just going to throw all of them on the tables here just to give you a visual of what that looks like. Remember, you can go in and pick whatever you want at this point. These are just the 3 that I chose, and I really like the way that they look. Going back to the picture, I was like, oh man, I completely forgot about the lamp. Now, this is a very simple lamp. You may already have something very similar to it at home. If not, I picked this one. Now, this one does have a wider arc to the arch there, but I think it works well. If not, Amazon has like hundreds, if not thousands, of these type of floor lamps on there. You can pick and choose. I would love to see it in a gold color, but I wanted to stick to black since the picture was black. Okay, so going back to our inspiration photo, of course, all the artwork. Now this is another area that you can just pick and choose your favorites, so I thought this big canvas would work great. You see it comes in various sizes for various prices. Then we have the black and white. There was a black and white one, so I wanted to pay homage to that, so we have that one there. Now most of these came unframed, so keep that in mind. You will have to frame it. Just get little cheap frames from somewhere. And they had one where it was like a water type photo canvas, so I got that as well. And then one of the woman. So I got these four, and this is how they looked on our little mock demo wall. So if this was my actual wall, I probably wouldn't hang these on the wood slat portion, just kind of somewhere around the room. But like I said, this is what we are working with. So here is our sample photo again, just to give you an idea of what we were working with, and then I will show you our final room at the end. Now, if I could find a sofa that matched that sofa in our inspo photo exactly, I think it would look a lot closer to it, but I'm pretty happy with the results. Like I said, to be honest, this room isn't quite my style anyway. I just wanted the challenge of trying to recreate it, so let me know down below how you think I did. What do you all think of this room? And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget, if you want to see some more videos, check out one of these. Bye guys.